Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty at 2 o'clock, but maybe I sign out at around 2:15 because I finished the order. And I just come here to see these people because they are. I noticed that there are so many people in here. Why? So yeah, that's why I'm here. So as you can see, there is one. What is that? A boat. Yacht? No, it's not. Yeah, in general, it's a boat. Yeah. And at the moment there is family or maybe a group of friends and they are staying there. Yeah, really nice weather today. Okay, we go. It is low tide, very less water in there, and yeah, it's busy today. 170 cover. What made it really busy is that we are doing it in a la carte style. It means like that we need to plate every order. We're not doing it buffet these days because because of the restriction. There is still a social distancing restriction in the very early. Yeah, just now.
That's Bear. He wants to say hello. What's he doing?
Yeah, there is still a restriction when it comes to how many guests inside the restaurant. Yeah, that's why we are doing it a la carte style, not buffet like usual before. I don't know until when we are going to do the a la carte style of that breakfast. Afternoon. Good. All right. Good afternoon. Hello. There's a kid that is hiding in there, and then he greet me. Hello. So now the family will see him. Good afternoon. Okay. And based on what I've heard yesterday from the news, there is no new cases of COVID here in Australia, particularly here in New South Wales. They are already planning to lift the ban, because if I'm not mistaken, it's still closed the borders of Australia. I mean the state, like Queensland, they are not allowing the New South Wales people to get to Queensland. That's what I understand yesterday. Okay, I just stopped here because I want to show you how much people are there in here. Look at that. Yeah, actually, yeah, it's going to be a long holiday. That's why many people went to the regional area like this place. Yeah, there are many people along the way. Afternoon. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. People are being really nice. If it is in the city, for sure I will not be able to bike like this. Yeah, I don't want to be always careful. Yeah, like when I was in Sydney. Yeah, I prefer not to bike. I prefer to walk. That's why when I was in Sydney, I was always walking. So if you notice, there's so many ferry. It means that the dolphin watch, they are now going on. Yeah, tourists are back. Thank you. Looks so much people here. much people. We're not going to bike. Yeah, we're going to be just walking from here because there's so many people. Yeah, looks like it feels like people already forget the COVID. We are not going to the grocery because I still have food. If you remember, I went yesterday to the Asian shop. Look at those lorikeet, they are just playing down there. Beautiful, colorful. It is not cold in the midday like this time. It's not very cold. That's why I'm wearing just a short. This is the one that I am going to eat this time. And this is the can opener that I have. Wow, look at that. That's it. I'm just going to make it hot and then I eat it with the rice. I don't need this. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. So it's already 4 o'clock. And yeah. So yeah, you've noticed that there are so many people outside. I mean in the town center, along the beach. And tomorrow I am expecting a guest. They are viewers of the video of my vlog. I don't know. Yeah, I told them that I will be finishing my duty at 2 o'clock so they can meet me. We can meet tomorrow by after my work. Yeah, the place is easy to see, so we're going to meet really easy. Yeah, it was good to be back at work. To be honest, it feels like normal. Yeah, like instant that we are working the way that we need to work. Distancing in the kitchen is not the problem because we have a big kitchen. Yeah, it's like just normal like how we are in before. Thank you for coming. Thank you for.
Thank you, thank you. Bye.
Ano po, subscribe and always like. Always like and
Share.
share.
Important to share.
Salamat po, Kuya Rob.
Sige, salamat. Yo, good afternoon. Yeah, I had some guests. There are 3 group of people. They visit me, and I really appreciate. And they give me this thing. Also this, and I have some more in my backpack. I really appreciate for them for coming. Thank you. And so many people these days. And you know, I am very much overwhelmed. Is it the right word? Yeah. Thank you for visiting me here. I really appreciate. I don't really know how to react, but I am really happy. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, we're home. I'm very much overwhelmed of what happened today. Yeah, thank you for visiting me. Yeah, thank you for coming here in Nelson Bay, and also thank you for all these things. I really appreciate. Yeah, this one is Australian Yum Down Under. They have Facebook, Australian food. Yeah, I am going to eat this, but there is another thing here. Let's open. Oh, Polvoron. Sky flakes. A coffee. Ensaymada. This one is bread. Another coffee. And mango rind. Oh, this Yeah, tamarind and mango. And this. Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Actually, there is another one in my backpack. I will show you. Yeah, this is orange coming from Kuya Ruel and Ati Aw. Yeah, they are coming from Sydney and they come to visit me again. And also they give me these shoes. Working shoes. So yeah, I will be using this for work because the one that I have is already broken. Yeah, thank you Kuya Ruel. And this t-shirt, this is coming from John. Yeah, I really appreciate. Actually, today is my birthday, June 7. Yeah, my birthday is June 7. I already had, a greetings from my family, brother and sister in the Philippines last night, and from the chat also. Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Yeah, thank you.